We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. In this video, I'll show you how to change the cartridge and drum on your HP LaserJet Pro MFP, M227, FDW, or CDW printer, and how to print a test page afterwards. The first step is to turn on your printer and make sure it is connected to a power source. Then, open the cartridge access door on the front of the printer by pulling on the top and opening your access cover. The next step is to remove the old cartridge and drum. To do this, pull on the cartridge you want to replace and release it. Set your empty cartridge to the side and repeat the same thing for your drum and move on to your next step. The third step is to install the new drum and cartridge. To do this, take the new drum out of its package and remove it from its bag and remove the seal and additional packaging materials. Repeat this for the cartridge and then move on to the next step. Now you can print a test page to see how your new cartridge look and get some useful information about your printer. To print this page, follow these simple steps. Swipe right until you reach the supplies. Press the supplies icon on your screen and press report. That's it. You've successfully changed the toner cartridge and printed a supply status page on your HP LaserJet Pro MFP, M227, FDW, or CDW printer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.